Alright guys, welcome back. We're here in Sibu and we're leaving today. We're here with Jason and Jeffry coming along. We're spending the next day, it's election day today on Monday, so we're spending today with the family down in Duman. We'll see what the house is like down there, and then on Tuesday we're headed to Moalboal. These guys are kind of shy to be on the vlog, but
Adventure time.
well, they're going to warm up to it. You already know Mark. Oh, this is Koya Noel. He's taking us there. We were going to catch a bus, but the boys didn't want to catch a bus because there was no buses available with air conditioning apparently. Yeah, they didn't want to catch a bus, so we took a car. It cost us 3,000 pesos to go from Sibu South Terminal to Duman. I don't know what type of vlog this is going to be. It's going to be just see the family, hanging out, first day with the boys really, and yeah. There you go, bag. Hey, Uncle.
Gostar da cá? Ele alto aspecto sai.
Oh, hello, look at this handsome dad. And Mark, it's our cousin group. Oh, wow. Hello. I'm good. How are you?
Look at you, you changed your life, huh?
All right, we're leaving Dumanhug. This beautiful place we're staying at, and we're headed to Moalboal. So I'm gonna jump in the car soon and head to the Airbnb. Let's go. All right, we're on the way. Jason and Mark are in the back.
Nee, not my bot spot.
I don't know why. Nah. They wanted to stay at the back. I don't know if you can see them through there. Hang on. You know what we can do. Boys! Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's our first full day in Moalboal. We're going to explore, and you guys are going to come along and also experience Jace's first time on a scooter. So let's explain how it works to him. All right, Jace. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, Jason can't ride this scooter. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do it for him. Alright, you're holding on.
Why can't I do that?
Slowly, slowly. So we arrived yesterday, we had a look around. We didn't bring the camera, but we had a wild night out.
Look.
No, you can't. Put the stand up. Put the stand up. We had a wild night out. So today we're going to explore, go to the beach. I'm going to have to double Jason. Alright.
Where's the laundry strip?
It's just up ahead, I think. We got to find a laundromat first, drops that off, and then we're going to the beach. So, Jason, you're in control.
Rookie mistake.
Control of the camera. So I don't know what the rules are here in Moalboal or the Philippines with helmets, but they told us that it's alright around here, but once you get onto the freeway, you've got to wear helmets. So, I don't know. If we're breaking the law, we apologise, but no one was actually clear on what the rules were. We're gonna turn right. Oh shit. Is it right?
I didn't get my
here. There's one here. Yeah. All right, we just settled our laundry. We're gonna pick it up tomorrow. It was 180 here for a load, so not too bad. A lot cheaper than the other places. So we'll see how they go. Wash, fold, and dry. So yeah, kind of happy with that. Go. All right, we're off again. Let's go. This is the punishment you have to pay, Jace, for not knowing how to ride a scooter. Don't know what's going on. Oh, entrance. Ah.
Oh,
I thought it was about the helmets. No. Alright, I thought we were getting pulled over for no helmets. So it's an entrance fee or something. Woo!
I'm gonna switch lanes.
Alright, we're here at White Beach. It's 10 pesos per person to get in, plus, what is that? 24 motorbikes. So we're just parking up and yeah, we'll see what this beach is like.
So we're here at the beach now. Well, not exactly at the beach, I guess. Oh man, it's a lovely day. Sun's out, guns out. Definitely not gonna learn that scooter in a day.
Alright, everyone's a little bit hungover. Last night was, well, I think last night got a little bit wild. This is the stage. Let's stay here. So this is where it is. That way or this? How's this water? Absolutely stunning here at White Beach in Moalboal. If you look around here from the sea, Alright, we're going to get something to eat. You've seen some of the snorkeling footage. Wasn't the best, but there was no Nemos, so the snorkels weren't the best snorkels. They kept fogging up. So I don't know. I'll have a look at what comes when I edit it, and I'll put up some of the good fish. But there wasn't really much there. A little bit of reef, but we're going to hit the snorkeling spots with the sardines and the turtles probably tomorrow. It's Chad's last day with us too. He goes back to, where are you going back to? Sibu? Duman. And then? Siargao. So it's been a great 2 days with Chad, or 3 if you include Duman. Yeah? Yeah. Right next to the fan, bro. I'll tell you one place I do recommend, the Blue Mango just there. Great cocktails, 2 for 1, really cheap. The food was excellent. Ooh. Oh, Canada. Alright, we're looking for a place to organize a canyoneering trip. We went to one place already, but there was no one there. So let's have a look around and see what we can find. Oh, hey boss.
Yes.
Canyoneering.
Yes.
How much?
Kawasan Pools Canyoneering, this one is together.
Oh, it's together?
The price for the Kawasan Pools Canyoneering is only for 1,800 per person.
Per person.
Including your lunch, your guide, your gear, your shoes, entrance pay, pick up and drop in your hotel is included.
Okay.
Pick up time is they have 2 choices. They have 7 a.m. in the morning, not so crowded, not so many people.
Yeah.
Normal pick up time is 9 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
To do the Kawasan Pools Canyoneering is 3 to 4 hours. Hiking, jumping, and swimming.
Yeah.
Jumping
you can
there's-
take the zip line?
Yeah, zip line
Yeah,
also.
yeah, awesome.
Jumping there's they have 2 meters, they have
Yeah.
4, 6, 8, 10. But if you don't like to jump, the guide will take care of you just only for walking. If you don't like to
Yeah,
jump.
that's right. We're all going to
If
jump.
you have a GoPro camera or
Yeah.
cell phone that you have a cover in your phone,
Yeah.
just give to your guide. The guide will take care of your video and the picture.
Okay.
From 7 a.m. pick
Yeah.
up time, you come back here 1:30 to 2 p.m.
Yeah. Even whale sharks, fuck, 3 in the morning. The whale sharks was pick up at 3 a.m. I don't know if we can make that, to be honest. We might just go past there when... We might just go past there on the way back to Sibu. So Chad, thanks for being a great tour guide for the last 2 days. Chad's showing us where all the good bars are here and creating the vibe and an atmosphere.
Thanks, Joe. Shaka's good.
Where, here? Shaka. Apparently that place is good. What is it? Oh, like holes, yeah.
Someone will guide you.
The boys just stopping off to get a vape. I don't know. Vaping's no good. I don't condone it, but they love it.
The next day.
And look who's back in the Philippines. You on yourself?
Asian folk couples. You could just vlog me in Vietnam. I'm like, nah, but I'll show him this for sure.
I'm just gonna park.
They look like a GTA.
Huh? Alright, we're here at El Mercado. That's what it's called, the Moalboal. So, waiting for the boys. There's only 2 scooters, and so there's 5 of us now. So the 2 brothers are for now ever catching a tricycle here. Take you through this place. This is actually really nice. A lot of options here for food. Hello. Alright guys, they have every option here. So if you want Greek food, if you want burgers, if you want Japanese food, if you want Thai, if you want pizza, if you want fresh fruit shakes, there's even an Outback Steakhouse here, or Outback Shack here. Chicken wings, crepes, waffles, you name it, this place pretty much has it all, and the prices are really good as well. It's a nice atmosphere. There's even a bar here in the middle, and excuse me. Yeah, I got the chicken pad Thai, so I've been craving Thai food for a while now, so we're gonna see how good it is. And yeah, boys are all ordering like barbecue and pizzas. The pad Thai actually wasn't that good. Don't make my mistake. It was maybe it was a one-off. Maybe we should just. Chef didn't care, but
get the chicken or the fish, cuz.
I did get the chicken. I got the chicken.
The chicken, the Filipino chicken.
Oh, chicken pad Thai.
Not the Thai chicken. Look at that sunset.
We'll go see it. I'm gonna have to turn around. Hey, boss.